Working with stallion requires skill, patience, and above all control. When it comes to breeding, one of the most important processes is training. Stallion for control mounting. This process not only ensures the safety of mares and handlers but also helps the stallion perform effectively without stress or aggression. A stallion is naturally driven by instinct, but if left unchecked, that energy can become dangerous. Untrained stallion may rush, bite, or mount unpredictably, putting mares and handlers at risk. Control mounting training teaching discipline, helping the stallion understand when, where, and how he is expected to perform. This training creates a safer environment while preserving the stallion's natural drive. Training begins with groundwork. A stallion must first learn to respect his handler, respond to cues, and remain calm even in the presence of mares. Leading exercise, distanciations, and consistent handling build trust and obedience. A well-trained stallion should stand quietly, move on command, and control his excitement until signal to mount. Patience is key. Rushing the process often leads to setbacks. Once the stallion understands basic controls, he is gradually introduced to the breeding shed with the mare properly restrained. Handler guide the stallion step by step, approach, sleep positions, and finally mount. The goal is to channel his natural instinct into a predictable, safe routine. Over time, stallion learn to wait for the handler cue before attempting to mount. This control reduces injuries, prevent wasted energy, and makes the breeding process more efficient. The advantages are many. Controlled stallions are safer to work with, easier to manage, and less likely to injure mares. Handler gain confidence, mares experience less stress, and the stallion himself develop better breeding manners. This training also increases the successful chances of consumption since the process is smoother and precise. Training stallion for control mounting is about balance, harnessing raw power with discipline and natural instinct with guidance. With proper handling and patience, a stallion becomes not only a reliable breeder but also a safer, more cooperative partner in the breeding program. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.